Good morning, beautiful people. It's Sandro from Abstract Homes and Renovations, and we are creating some skins here out of 1/8" plywood mahogany to line an oval window that's inside the house. Here, I'll show you. This is one of the oval windows, and you see, like, in order to get that shape, we have to kind of slowly work at it with building the largest parts out, getting it close to the frame, and then what we'll do is we'll wrap that 1/8" plywood all the way around, and then from there we will use a flex mold to create a little better shape and try to keep it as consistent as possible all the way around. And I'll show you that part when we get to it. I want to show you something else as well. There's this interesting product here. It's been around for a while, but it's fairly expensive. And you can see the trim around the oval window on the outside. It's called AZEK, A-Z-E-K. And here is, here are the cutouts for that shape of the window. It's took 2 pieces of plywood there. I think right now they're about $276 a sheet. It's like a composite material. It's plastic in here, so it'll never split, check, or anything like normal wood would. This here is it's paintable, it's sandable just like wood, it cuts like wood. It's actually a pretty good product. I'm quite impressed with it. So there you go. And yeah, this is kind of a different way of doing it. You could also steam the plywood and get that shape, but we're just kind of getting it wet with the mister and conforming and holding that shape for a bit, and then we'll just take it and fit it in with a pin nailer. There you go, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.